Hello everyone, I'm going to do a review about these two Abrams tanks from the brand Panzerkampf. Now I will start with this one over here, the Tusk, and then we go to this one over here, the TUSK II. This is the last one they released. And they also released an Abrams before this one. I did a review about it on my YouTube channel and I will place a link in the description. Now, first we're going to take a look at the box. And you see very big metal. Well, trust me, it's a plastic tank. There are absolutely, well, maybe one or two screws. No metal parts beside that. So I don't understand this. They should get rid of this on the package. And when I bought my first tanks on AliExpress, they also were pronounced as a diecast tank. Well, that is not true. Nonetheless, this is still one of my favorite brands, especially when it comes to 172 scale military models. Here you have the name of the brand, Panzerkampf, limited edition. That is what we like. Yeah, they basically use the same box for about 3 or 4 years now. Not sure how long Panzerkampf does exist. Box is pretty cool, and the only thing that is different on every box is this right here. The barcode, article number, and the name of the tank, M1A1 Tusk US tank. Now let's open up the box. There we go. As you can see, it comes in a nice display case. Good for protection, no dust, and perfect to place on your desk or wherever you want. Nice, some sort of diorama with a tank for the back of the package. Excuse me. So let's open up this display case. We got some more protection right here. Very important, especially with a plastic tank like this. Now, the details on this tank are phenomenal. It's not a weathered version, but it looks amazing, and I like the combination with the woodland camo and the desert armor here on side and on top. And here, this is also pretty cool. The ammo of the gun is also painted. Yeah, that looks very realistic. We do have opening parts on this tank. So the hatch here, it can open. But it can be very dangerous because it's plastic and it can easily break. So I advise you, if you open the hatch, be very careful. There is also a hatch here in the front for the driver, and you can also open that. Now, you have to believe me, I'm not going to do that. And by the way, you can see the turns can turn. So maybe I can try a little bit, see? You have to get it up, and then you have to turn it, but that's so difficult. And frustrating. Okay, one more try with this finger. No. So you have to believe me, it can open and then you can push it to that side. So that is very cool, but you have to do some effort for it, and I'm not going to do that in this video. So yeah, some details here on top. I like the protection here for the tank crew. Tracks also nice and painted. Yeah, this thing looks very realistic. Okay, let's see if I can take it off the base. So I think these are the only two metal parts. Okay, there we go. Pretty long screw. There we go. Oh. Here we have the base of the tank. Good looking tracks, by the way. I like that. And the guns on top are very well detailed. Let's take a closer look. Okay, let's place it over here. Now we're going to take a look at the TUSK II. Got that one right here. Box is the same, so we don't have to talk about that. But what I do see, this is a little bit weird. The extra protection in the display case. By the way, the diorama in the back has the same tank as the other one. They're both the same. Like I said, all the boxes from Panzerkampf are the same if you order a tank like this. So yeah, this is what I was talking about. Let's place it over here. Maybe they had plenty of these and they thought, well, we're not going to make any new one. Let's burn some holes in it and then it will fit. That's probably it. Okay, this is definitely my favorite. The more armor, the better. In my opinion. Same thing, we got a hatch over here it can open. Ooh, I like that this has a red color right here. Just like the Tusk, extra .50 here in front. Ammo is painted. Big 50 here on top of the tank. And a smaller, I think a 70.62 here on the side. Extra armor. This is definitely for urban combat. I see the antenna is a little bit to do it like this. Not too much, or you will break it. It is plastic. I do have a little version of this. I will show you. It's a baby TUSK II. I think I made a video of it about a year ago. Ah, this is an awesome tank. Who those jerry cans here in the back in a green color. I hope Panzerkampf in the future they're going to make some weathered versions, just like Forces of Valor. Okay, let's take it off the base. There we go. Voila. And here we have the base, pretty much the same as the other one. Yep, that's logical, because they're both Abrams tanks. Yeah, it looks totally awesome. Like those antennas in the back. I'm going to show you the baby version I have. I think I have it right here. There it is. Looks pretty cool, right? Baby Tusk II in a woodland camo. Did a review about it. Here you can see how big it is next to the 172 scale. I think it's about I have no idea what the scale is. Can't remember. But I think I'm telling the scale in the video I made about this. We'll look it up, and I will place it in the description, as well as the tank they released before this one, the other Abrams tanks. Okay, I've got another Abrams tank right here. This is from the brand Dragon Armor, and this is a diecast version. Not everything is diecast, but most of it is diecast. Unfortunately, I don't know any brand that make 172 scale diecast military vehicles at this moment. Here I also have a diecast tank, but this is yeah, close to a 150 scale. It's 148, a Leopard. This is all diecast. Very nice tank. But in my opinion, it should be weathered. It's way too clean. Here we got a Bradley, also from Dragon Armors. I will place it next to the Abrams, and you can see the difference in size. It's made to transport soldiers on the battlefield. And here, oh, by the way, I can put this figure right here. Yeah, why not? 172 tank figure. Here I have an Abrams from the brand Easy Model. A very good price quality, this brand. I also have a lot of submarines. They made tons of military vehicles. Modern, World War II, and I believe even World War I. Yeah, pretty cool tank. Pretty cool Abram. I think I paid around 15 euro for this tank back then. I think now it's a little bit more expensive with the inflation. I've got this one on eBay, because these aren't available anymore in store. You have to find them on eBay, or you have to be lucky. Yes, now, well, these two I found on AliExpress. They're still available, and they cost around 60 euro a piece. And you get a very high detailed tank, plastic, very well detailed, with moving and opening parts. And I think even this can move. Yes, it can go up and down. Same with this one right here. Didn't show you that. Okay, let me know what you think about these tanks. Also, check the description from the video for more information. Have a very nice day, and I will see you later. Happy hunting. Bye.